Imagine waking up one morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing an email with the subject line, "Your Google Play Publisher account has been deactivated." My heart just dropped. All my work, my books, everything I had built on that platform are gone. Just like that. It felt like a punch to the gut. For those who don't know me, my books, the Yachting Guide series, are bestsellers on Amazon and Apple Books. We've built a massive community of readers and aspiring yachties. But according to Google's algorithm, I was a fraud. A bot decided overnight that my entire business was fake and just shut it down. No warning, no explanation, just a cold, automated termination. It's a crazy feeling when a tech giant you rely on suddenly decides you don't exist. All those years of work, writing, marketing, and community building, erased by a single automated flag. My first thought was panic. What do I do? How do I even fight a faceless corporation like Google? But then, the panic subsided, and the fighter in me kicked in. I thought, no. I'm not letting a robot destroy what I've built. I'm not going down without a fight. So, instead of wallowing, I went straight to work. I knew the only way to prove my legitimacy to Google was to make my digital footprint so undeniably real, so thoroughly verified, that even their bots couldn't ignore it. This meant I had to completely overhaul my entire author website backend. I moved everything over to a new system, systemeio, which gave me more control to build the evidence I needed. This wasn't about fancy designs or cool animations. This was about deep, technical, unglamorous work. I'm talking about coding, diving into the nitty-gritty of SEO to make sure my author profile was visible and authoritative. I spent hours hunting down and fixing every single broken link on my site. I had to set up and verify new professional email addresses, create new DNS records, and basically build a fortress of digital proof to show Google that I am a real person and the creator of my work. So many people see the end result, the books, the social media, the idea of a yachting lifestyle, and think it's all smooth sailing and luxury. But this is the reality of building a digital business. It's you, alone at your computer, at 2 a.m, fueled by coffee and sheer determination, fighting an invisible enemy. It's 48 hours of pure, relentless stress. Every time I submitted a verification request, I was holding my breath, waiting for another rejection. I had to prove my identity, my business, my ownership of my own content over and over again. It felt like a digital trial where I was guilty until proven innocent. But after 48 hours of this intense grind, something amazing happened. I got another email from Google. This time, it said my account had been verified and reinstated. We were back. The feeling of relief was incredible. All that stress, all that work, it had paid off. The Yachting Guide was finally live again on Google Play, available everywhere for our community. It was a huge win, not just for my business, but for my own sanity. It proved that if you're persistent enough, you can overcome these insane hurdles. So, what's the moral of this crazy story? It's that the journey of an entrepreneur, a creator, anyone trying to build something online, is full of obstacles. Sometimes, those obstacles are massive, faceless tech giants that can try to shut you down with the flip of a switch. They will test you. They will try to block you. But you cannot let them win. You have to be resilient. You have to be willing to do the hard, unglamorous work behind the scenes. Keep building, keep fighting, and never, ever give up on what you've created. This experience was a nightmare, but it also made me stronger and more determined than ever. Thanks for listening to my story. If you've ever faced a similar struggle, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real stories from behind the scenes. We'll see you in the next one.